Yeah. What is that? It is a Christmas tree. What's in front of the Christmas tree? What did Santa bring you?
Go see, buddy. What did Santa bring you?
A bicycle.
Yeah.
It's got a bell.
I tried it.
No, push right there, buddy. Push. You just push.
Oh, you're better. I want to open presents.
You can't open presents till people get here, buddy.